Assign tickets to agents most proficient in handling them using skill-based ticket assignment. Your customers from all over the world reach out to you with various requests. Each request, or ticket, might require a different expertise to solve. Generally, these tickets are mapped to relevant departments and assigned to agents based on availability and other assignment algorithms. But to resolve tickets faster and better, we can use skill-based assignment. How it works. The skill-based automation engine skims the ticket and identifies the required skills. It then assigns the ticket to the agent who has the most number of matching skills. Load balancing. But what happens when 2 or more agents have the same number of required skills? This is where the load balancing algorithm comes into play. The ticket is assigned to the agent with the least number of active tickets. This way, you ensure tickets reach the right agents without overwhelming them with more than they can handle. Skill-based ticket assignment helps you deliver faster resolutions, improve customer satisfaction, and maintain balanced workloads across your team. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.